Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying a few essentials. Make sure the compressor has oil or is rated oil-free, and choose the correct power source so it can run steadily. Attach the gauge and hose now. This saves time and prevents repeated hookups. Once connected, remove the valve cap and depress the core briefly to clear debris. This ensures an accurate reading. You do this first because accurate baseline pressure sets the stage for safe, controlled inflation and prevents overfilling later. Now you begin inflating. Set the target pressure from the placard or 35 psi if unknown and attach the hose securely so air doesn't escape. Start the compressor in short bursts. This controls temperature rise and prevents overshoot, then pause to check the gauge. Because compressors build pressure quickly, intermittent checks let you approach the target precisely. If your unit has a regulator, fine-tune it while monitoring. Make sure to reseat the connector after each check for a reliable finish by stopping the compressor at the target pressure, then remove the hose and replace the valve cap to protect the stem. If you overinflate, bleed air in short 1 to 2 second bursts using the valve core tool, you do this to avoid sudden pressure loss. If the compressor stalls or gets hot, let it cool for 10-20 minutes and verify power and oil. This prevents motor damage. One quick troubleshooting tip: if it won't build pressure, check for leaks at connections first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.